Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our debutante, Miss Ashanti True Collado. Palakpakan po natin ang ating debutante.
Happiest birthday, Ashanti! Happy birthday, Ashanti! Happy 18th birthday, Ashanti! Happy 18th birthday, Ashanti!
Happy birthday, Ate Ashanti! May you have a wonderful birthday and may God bless you.
At ang masasabi ko lang, gawin mong mabuting inspirasyon ng mga magulang mo kung paano nila pinahalagan yung tungkulin nila. Tularan mo sila. And everything will follow pagtatagumpay pagkakalob ng Panginoon Diyos. Happy birthday!
So, ang wish ko para sa'yo is that you find your people. These are the ones who will celebrate your success with you without envy. And these are the people whose eyes light up when they see you coming. So, when you see these people, when you meet these people, keep them. They'll be worth it. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate. I just wanted to say that I wish you a happy birthday and I will love you forever.
Hello, Ashanti, anak. Happy birthday sa iyo at sana matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Alam mo naman na yung tama at mali. Mag-ingat ka na lang lagi. I love you.
Hi, Ashanti. Ito na yung pinakihintay mo. Happy 18th birthday sa'yo.
Hi, Ashanti! Happy 18th birthday! Siguro ang wish ko lang sa'yo, stay humble, stay as who you are, and always remember, I'm here for you, always. Ayun. Happy birthday!
Hi Ashanti! Happy 18th birthday! Love you!